Ciao Bella. Welcome to part 2. Okay, sorry about that. It turned off on us, but okay, so we're opening it up, and I guess this is the receipt. Invoice. What's this? Can you guys see that? What's this? What is this? Oh, it's like a little cloth to wipe it off with, I guess. Cool. Alright, we got it this little bad boy. Okay, alright. Y'all see what I'm doing? Oh. Okay, what is this? Clover mini starter kit. This is exciting, even though I still feel like we have meant to get skimmed by Clover, but oh, look at that. Okay, this is for the printer. Why do I have printer page? Huh. Okay. Quick start guide. Why does this look used? Quick start guide. Okay. Y'all, they doing a lot with this. Okay, so it comes with this. Plug in your attachments like printer and cash drawer and things like that. A little power cable. Cool. My stuff looks used and I'm not feeling this. Look at that. Nope, it's going back. Yeah, this is going back. Y'all, this ain't new. I can't see it on the camera. It's not picking up, but they just send me a used. Ooh, you wait till I call them back. They made a huge piece of my mind. And I don't know why I got this big giant box and I just got a Clover mini. Why do we need that big box for a Clover mini? That's what I want to do. Oh, the little printer. This must be the printer, and that's Clover mini. Again, why do we need this big giant box? Clover mini. Wait, that's what. So what is in that? You guys, what is going on here? Look, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, it is used. And I supposedly bought it brand new at a discounted price because they had a special going on. Nobody ever conveyed to me that I was buying it used. I don't like things like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's deceitful. I don't like that. Be upfront and tell the people what you're gonna get and what they're getting, what they're buying. You know what I'm saying? Don't repackage something and put it in some new shrink wrap and try to tell them you guys, don't piss on me and tell me it's raining. You know what I'm saying? Don't do that. I digress. It's cute, though. It's cute. You know what I'm saying? We're not gonna complain. We just making observations. I can't get the little pin out. The little screwdriver thingy. There it is. Is that like a hex screwdriver? Cool beans. Is this the cash drawer? Oh, it must be big old giant cash drawer. I don't need it. This is huge cash drawer. They do it too much. You guys, wow. I don't need this big old giant cash drawer. Oh yeah, we don't need a printer because that thing has it. Well. Okay. This thing is huge. Well, we don't have our table yet. Register stand. So can't let you guys see the entire setup yet, but that'll be another video. And there may be another video with a new unboxing because we might not be sticking with this. We might go to Square or something. Hate to say that, but yeah. So I guess this is it. This is what you get. Yeah, I'll show you everything together. Boom, 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 bitty boom, boom. That's what you get. All right, you guys, that is the Clover unboxing. Don't go with POS Pros. Even if we stick with them just to buy out this contract, it's not even been a week yet for us. But don't ever go with POS Pros for anything. Just saying, save yourself the trouble, the headache. They are liars. That's first-hand experience. Oh, yeah. All right. See you later. Bye. Ciao, Bella.